Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. So today I will show you how to make some basic transactions using the latest Layerzero testnet. As you know, Layerzero is one of the biggest projects and we expect an airdrop from them. So we're trying to show you every opportunity. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So we will use MetaMask for today's transactions. So if you don't have a MetaMask wallet or if you don't know how to use your MetaMask wallet, definitely make sure to check out our MetaMask tutorial video from the cards. So after you watch our tutorial video and set up your MetaMask wallet, you will have to send some Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. In order to do that, just copy your wallet address by clicking here. As you can see, it says copy to clipboard. After you copy your wallet address to your clipboard, just paste this on the exchange that you want to send your Ethereums from. So for example, you want to send it from Binance, just buy some Ethereum and then paste your MetaMask wallet address on the receiver's address. And then wait a couple of minutes and your funds will arrive in your MetaMask wallet. After that, you can just open testnetbridge.com, and as always, you will find all the links in the description box below. We will transfer some Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to the girly Ethereum testnet. Now, before I make these transactions, I'd like to give you a fair warning. Now, this will cost because we will pay approximately $15 to $30 of transaction fees. If you do this, maybe in the midnight, you'll probably pay a lot less transaction fee. So if you'd like to do this, I recommend you to do it, after midnight or really early in the morning. I mean, you can just do it right now, but as I said, it might cost you because the transaction fees might be a little bit high. So this was the warning. So I will show you how to make the transaction. So you can see my balance. So let's say I want to transfer this much Ethereum from the Ethereum mainnet to the girly testnet. So just type down the amount and then click on transfer. Now, as I said, you can see the gas fee is nearly $20. I will confirm this transaction to show you how it's done, but if this is too much for you, as I said, you can do after midnight or really early in the morning. So let's confirm it. You can see it's submitting the transaction. And as you can see, the transaction submitted. So this was it. It was simple as that. So when a project decides to give an airdrop, they mostly look at how much transactions you've made in the past. So this was just one transaction. But as I said, since the gas fees are too high, I don't recommend you to do this more than once. But if you have the balance and if you'd like to do it, you can do it as many times as you want. But as I said, and as you saw, the gas fee is a little bit high. So I know I said this 50 times in this video, but as I said, I wanted to give you a fair warning before the transactions. So guys, it's nearly been over 15 minutes and I don't want to wait too long because I want to share this video today with you guys so you can make the same transactions today. But I spoke with one of the Layerzero mods on the Discord server and he said that the transactions might take up to 24 hours to be completed. So the best course for you would be to make a transaction at midnight or as I said, in the very early hours in the morning, and then just wait for the transaction to be completed. Now, this was one of the ways to get an airdrop from a possible Layerzero airdrop. We also have another video on the Layerzero airdrop possibility. You can see it on our channel, Layerzero airdrop chance, amazing opportunity. I would also recommend you to make the transactions that I made in this video, because the more transactions you make, the more rewards you will get from the airdrop. You can find all of these videos from the cards and also in the description box below of this video. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.